Okay, please tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Nur Mohammad. I am from Shirazganj, which is the most beautiful district in all over Bangladesh. And I have 5 family members: my father, my mother, and 2 younger sisters.
Okay, tell me something about your educational background.
I am study at National University, my honors second year, management department.
Okay, do you like the subject management?
Yes, sir. I very like this subject.
Do you think you'll be able to manage a big company?
Yes, sir. I will able to manage a company because it's my profession, and I really like this profession.
Okay, do you have a role model?
Yes, I have a role model. My role model is Elon Musk because he is very successful person.
What do you do in your free time?
Basically, I watch TV. Sometime I scroll my Facebook.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. It is the end of your IELTS speaking test, and I wish you best of luck for your future, Mr. Nur Muhammad. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.